1-3, the police are requesting an ambulance and detail man screaming for one. Inside the Irish Social Club at number 19 Park Street, West Roxbury.
What happened? Where am I? Am I alive yet?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm still not feeling the best today, but I wanted to get a stream in. Okay. I see some of the chats, so I see. Let me get to. Good morning, New California. Christian. Good morning. Stoked that you joined the copy trading. Jordan. Good morning. Thanks for joining the copy trading. And in New California, I see. Yo, was I supposed to join the copy trading? I'm trading along with y'all today. You can if you'd like. Jordan, New California. If you go on BLOFIN, under the copy trading tab, you can search me up, and then everything I do for the 501 mil challenge is actually copy trading. So you wouldn't even have to do anything. You just deposit the funds. Whatever trades I take, you take. So on and so forth. So. If you would like to take part in the copy trading, feel free to join my BLOFIN. With the link down below, you're on YouTube, so the link is right below this video, and then you can join the copy trading. Right now, we are in the first 15 minutes of market open, so I'm gonna watch for that open range. And we'll see where we get a breakout. So we're watching that first 15 minutes, right? So from 6:30 really 9:30 a.m. EST to 9:45 a.m. EST. Hey, Christian, awesome. Let's roll into it. That this evening. Yeah, dude. Yeah, let's as the opening range is happening, let's check this too. Let's check the Forex Factory, see if there's any news I'm missing that maybe we should wait. 7 p.m. tonight. Okay. President Trump spoke this morning. Holy smokes, 1:30 a.m. Right, yeah, that's today. Jeez. Wonder what he spoke about. Executive orders, okay. 7 p.m. tonight, Fed Chair Powell testifies. Oh, testifies. More hawkish than expected is good for currency. All right, so nothing happening today for a long time. So we're safe. We're safe to kind of trade this right now. I have a bullish sentiment for this morning. So I think, honestly, with this breakout this morning, it will be a long type breakout. But we'll see. Because previous day candle, we have a bullish engulfing candle. It is a doji candle still. We've gotten like 6 doji candles in a row. I don't love it, honestly. I don't love the doji candle stuff because that just shows indecisiveness in the market, and the market doesn't like that. The market does not like it when there's indecisiveness. It looks like we're honestly just kind of in consolidation. All right, good. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for now like a year and 2 months. Well, okay, so I mean, I've been in crypto trading, spot trading since 2021 or 2020. I can't remember. I always forget. I think it might have been COVID year was when I really started getting into crypto. So that's been about 5 years. But like actually day trading like this, been a year and 2 months. I haven't been trading super long. But this journey that I'm taking you guys along with is honestly a learning journey. I don't claim to be an expert, right? I have been able to become profitable, right? But I'm still learning. And so this journey that I'm taking you guys on is a learning journey. And the whole reason why I'm doing the 500 to 1 mil challenge is to show you how far I can go. And also it's a challenge for myself. But then if I can complete it, right, it's like a stamp of approval for me, right? Because I'm not just going to take random trades. I'm not just going to, you know, over leverage and do crazy things. We're actually trading with extreme discipline, risk management, profit management, time management, and like what the times we trade, how many trades we take a day. Like we're treating this like a very, very, very real trading journey. But we're also creating it as a fun challenge to like see if we can turn $500 into 1 million. It takes 12 tiers to get there. And so our first tier, as you can see on the screen, is 500 to 1,000, right? So we're on our way to 1,000. And if you go inside the copy trading tab of, let's see, I'll go in it right now. If you go inside the copy trading tab of on BLOFIN, and you find me, which I think I'm right here under the top new talents. If you go under here, you can click on view, and then you can literally see what am I at, right? So we start off with $500 last week, and we are now at so plus 154, so that's what, $654, right? So you can literally come in here and see what is Soul Maniac trading, what is his P&L, you know, what is his ROI, how many trades have I taken, how many are winning trades, you know, what's my ROI percentage, annual ROI, max drawdown, Sharpe ratio, volatility, right? You can see literally everything about me. You can see every single current position I have. You can see every single position I've taken throughout this entire journey. And so that's why I like this copy trading, is because literally it's extremely transparent. Like you get to see everything. And that's why I wanted to do it this way, because now you guys can literally see everything. You guys can see what is Soul Maniac trading, what is he like, how many trades has he taken, right? Is he being successful, is he failing? There is nothing I can hide. So that's why I wanted to do this. I wanted to be super transparent. Nice. I would love to do that. I would literally love to do that. All right, so this is our high so far. So this is we need one more candle after this one, and then we have our orb. Okay. Heck yeah, dude. I would love to take you to 300K, man. Yeah, risk whatever you want. Put however much you want. I think some people have like $30 in there. Like, you know, risk what you're willing to lose. You know, I'm not expecting to lose or blow an account. You know, we're already up a nice, decent amount. So that's nice. And we're already a good amount. We're not super close to finishing the first tier, but we're getting there. We're getting pretty close, right? I'm sorry, guys. My energy is a little lower this morning. I'm like trying to take a bunch of medicine, trying to feel better, but dude, I don't know. If anybody has like a hack to staying, I feel like I'm getting sick all the time. It's driving me nuts. I don't know why. I go to the gym, I eat good, I work out, I stay active. Like, I have a good routine, I get decent sleep, but like I still get sick and it drives me nuts. What margin are you using per trade? So I'm trading right now at 20x leverage. That's about my margin. I think, let's see, what does that come out to? We can go and look right now. So we actually we're at 17 copy traders now. Let's go. We're at 5 last week, but now we're at 17. So I'm super excited. We got a max spots of 12. Let's see, margin. I don't think it shows, honestly, my margin. We're trading with 20x leverage, right? And so every position, so we trade with 20x leverage, and sorry, I got a bug on YouTube. Didn't mean to double comment. No, you're fine. I don't care. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, margin. So here's I guess the best thing I can explain is I trade with 20x leverage, and every trade I only risk $50. Okay, and that's including fees. Okay, so after fees, which is usually about $2.64, so that's like $5.20. Okay, I can only risk about $44 or $43 or something cents, right? So per trade, that's what I'm risking currently, about $43, right? And including fees, it's going to come out to about $50. And so that's what I'm so margin wise, I don't even know what that is. It's like probably, I don't know, $100, maybe more. Let me just move this out of the way for now until this candle's done. Okay, so I'm seeing a couple things. If we look left here on the 5-minute, got that fair value gap, right? We might get some more displacement here. This is just good confirmation that we're getting good bullish momentum, right? The fair value gaps show that we're getting that good bullish move, right? Let's see, this is the high now. Let's see if we break it. So we have our low of our orb and our high of our orb right now. So this is our final candle of our morning opening range. Ooh. It looks like we're inverting 1, 2, right? So we have this inverse fair value gap right there. Nice inverse fair value gap. This honestly could have been a trade, right? This could have been a trade, but we're sticking to our strategy, right? Which is important for our discipline. Not just going off a whim, right? Okay, this is another inverse fair value gap right there. All right, so let me go to 15 real quick. Okay. I'm gonna delete those for now. Actually, I'm only gonna keep this one for now, and then I'm gonna go back to 15 and then put this one up. Okay, so if this candle closes above, we got an inverse fair value gap here too, and this would be probably one of the key areas. I'm gonna delete this blue line. And we're also, if you notice, we're coming to the day close line. This is our day close. So we're below the day close. That's a great place to take a position, right? Especially if you're going long. In about 13 minutes, I do have to hop on a call, so I will mute. But I will still be here and trading and stuff. But I just have to hop on a quick call. Okay, it looks like it's failing to inverse this actually. That's okay though. Could be coming back down to test this inverse fair value up. It doesn't matter. What we're mainly looking out for is the daily opening. We're looking for the opening range breakout. That's what we're looking for. We're looking EMA crosses would be nice. Displacement would be good. Confluence. Structure, right? So we have minor structure shift here, or market structure shift here. Right. The no more fair value gap. Okay. Now let's see what price does here. All right, let's see. Now we're kind of ranging within the orb, right? Honestly, if I don't get a perfect setup today, not a perfect setup, but a very clear setup today, I'm probably not going to take a trade. And here's why. The day time frame is still consolidating, and it's honestly not great to trade when it's consolidating. So if I don't get an exact setup that I'm looking for, I'd rather just wait until the day time frame gives us a better candle, right? A better break of structure, then force a trade that's not needed to force, right? And that comes in with the discipline of this whole challenge, right? Saying it's okay, we don't need to trade every single day. You don't need to trade every single day, because if it's not giving you the setup, that's okay. You wait, save your money, right? You'd rather not take a loss and then come back the next day when it's giving you a better setup, right? And when we like to trade the orb, it needs to break out, retest, then break again. So like we don't just take a position on the orb. If it breaks through, we wait for it to retest the orb and then push out. Okay. So right now, I just checked the copy trading inside of our thing. We started off with $500 last week. That was like last Thursday is when we officially kicked off the challenge, right? And now we're sitting at $696.89. Okay, so we're almost up $200. Okay, we're almost at tier 1. We're at right just under $700. So we need about $300 more to get to tier 1, which is $1,000. Okay, what's an orb? Orb stands for, orb is an acronym. Okay, orb is an acronym that stands for opening range breakout. So what is the opening range? The opening range is the first 15 minutes of the New York session. Okay, so from 9:30 EST to 9:45 EST, that is the orb. Okay, now the orb is when you see potentially manipulation. You'll see big money and market makers do some funny things in here. And so the strategy, right, is when price breaks out above one of the orb lines. Okay, so the high of the orb and the low of the opening range, right? Once price breaks above one or the other, that is supposed to signal that's the direction we're going for the day. Okay, so if we broke below this red line, probably means we're gonna go down for the day. If we break above this green line, probably means we're gonna go up for the day. And then what I do is I look for my targets, right? So if we're gonna break below one or the other, right? The lows that have targets, the high has targets, right? So either way, whichever way it goes, we can target areas of liquidity. And so that's the orb. And in my opinion, I think today is going to be bullish because one, on the daily time frame, we had a bullish engulfing candle, even though it was a doji candle, still bullish engulfing candle. And so there is a bullish sentiment on the charts today, even though it is still in consolidation. And that's why I say, because we're in this consolidation range, if I don't get a clear setup and a lot of confluences, I'm probably not going to try to force a trade, right? And that's the whole point of this challenge, is we stay disciplined. All right, I have a call in about 5 minutes, and I'm going to mute myself, but I'll keep the music and stuff and the charts up so you can see if I start taking a trade. And if you're copy trading, it'll auto do it for you. So that's the nice thing. And another thing with the orb, right? The orb is the opening range breakout. So the breakout is when a candle, right, pushes outside of the orb. The key thing is you have to wait for the candle to close, and the candle needs to close above the green line or the red line. Okay, it needs to have a candle closure outside of that line. That is an indicator that, okay, this potentially could be the opportunity that we've been looking for. Now, that's why I say it needs to see a retest, then an additional breakout. Because when we get that retest, we've seen it where it closes above the line, but then literally falls to the other side. Okay, so we need to see a break above, a retest, and then a really solid candle breakout, and then we enter usually on that candle. Okay, and then stop loss at an order block, probably down here. So say if we, right? Say if we took one right here, I put my position down to here. We then target, right? We target a 2-to-1. And then we check, is this 2-to-1 realistic? Yes, there's liquidity all up in here, right? So that 2-to-1 is realistic. So I would be open to taking a trade like this if that's how it did, right? We'll see though. We'll see if we get it, but Sorry if I'm like coughing in the mic. It's probably annoying. All right, got my call in 2 minutes. Oh, I have a heater under my desk and it feels so good. Ugh. Thank you guys for showing up this morning and chatting with me. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Sorry I'm like sick. That's never fun. But yeah, we'll see if we get a trade today. I hope we do. And again, if you're watching right now and you want to join a part of the copy trading, use the BLOFIN link. If you're on YouTube or Twitch, if you type in the command BLOFIN, or if you type in the command BLOFIN, it'll shoot you the link right to you. So let me see if I move that over so you can see it a little better. $6 p.m. here. Where are you? What time zone are you in, Christian? 6 p.m. Because the buddy that I'm about to hop on a call with, he's in Singapore, and I'm pretty sure it's like 11 p.m. for him. So you might be like Europe, maybe? Is that correct? Maybe Europe area? Oh, this heater feels so nice. Let's see. We got 17 copy traders. Let's see if we got any more this morning. Heck yeah. One thing I want to do too throughout this challenge, as we start getting profit and stuff, is like giving back to the copy traders. So like if you're copy trading Moscow, actually. Oh, well, nice. Heck yeah. Welcome in, Christian. From Moscow. That's cool. That's really cool. I want to give back eventually to all my copy traders, right? Because we do with the copy trading, right? There's some profit share. That's like kind of like the benefit of doing a copy trading, right? Because I trade for you guys, there's a little profit share. It's all transparent, shows on the copy trading site. But I would like to eventually, once we start, right now it's not very much of what we've earned, but once we start earning through it, I would like to do some give backs to those in my copy trading. And so if you are someone copy trading me, okay, if you are actively copy trading me right now, join my Discord and submit your UID, because I could check via the copy trading whose UID is under my copy trading, and I want to give back to you guys. So make sure you join the Discord and submit your UID. Oh shoot, it's 7:01. Gotta join the call. All right, I gotta mute and I'm gonna join this call. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. The call is over. Man, dude, this literally just been ranging right in between here. Nothing's happening. So we might not get a trade today. Honestly, it looks like it's not doing anything really great. Which would be a bummer, right? Because it's fun taking trades. Especially for the copy trading, right? I want to get the copy trading, taking trades, so. But, all right. Yeah, the market's been pretty lame today. Sorry, I'm like, oh man, dude. I'm struggling this morning. Oh. Oh. Let me know if you guys have any questions on what I'm waiting for. I know there's some new people here compared to when we first started out. So let me know if you guys are wondering what is going on the screen. What are we kind of looking at? Just gonna kind of delete these for now. I'm seeing some movement here. We're getting some displacement on these moves up, a little bit higher lows each time, right? EMAs are very tight here. I would need to see price break this high now. You know, that would be an important high to break. But it's kind of slow moving this morning. It's consolidating. Nothing's really happening. We haven't even had an orb breakout yet. We had a wick out, which for me, this I would consider a liquidity sweep. This little sweep right here is trying to grab all the liquidity underneath these lows. And now you've seen it just creeping up, up, up. Some displacement here. See if we get another fair value up here and a break of structure. But nothing confident yet. Sorry guys, my energy is super low today. I'm just waiting for a trade potentially. See if we get that orb breakout. Man, that's what we need. Dude, no, it's still ranging.
Inside the Irish Social Club at number 19 Park Street, West Rock Street. 19 Park Street, 156.
Okay, so something to take note of right now. Our most important time of trading, right? Within my strategy, my goal is to usually have a trade within the first hour of the market open. So that would be from, in my time, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. We're now almost pushing 8:30 a.m. And so we're out of that kind of gold zone, right? And what I'm seeing here is that even though we're out of this gold zone, nothing happened here. Market opened and nothing really happened, right? We're now almost 2 hours into the market and nothing's happened. So I think that might be a key indicator today. We are going to take off today, wait till tomorrow, right? And that's okay. You know, we don't have to. One of the things that's very important, especially if you're copy trading me, I don't know if you have this feeling, but it's like, I don't need to trade every day. And so I'm not, when it comes to this copy trading, right? I'm not going to force trades just to make sure you guys have trades on the copy trade, right? I want to make sure I'm getting you guys the best trade possible with the best return, right? With the least amount of risk, because we're trading probabilities, right? That's the whole point in day trading. You're trading the probability. And so I'm not going to force something, right? Just for the challenge, just for the copy trading, whatever. We're going to be diligent. We're going to be a disciplined trader, and we're going to do this the right way. And so this morning, honestly, I'm not seeing it. I'm just not seeing it. It's not, we should have seen an orb breakout already, right? We should have seen it kind of already broken out, especially in the key, you know, the first 2 hours of the day. But we're not seeing it today. So I think it might be, we put today on hold when it comes to the day trading. And we maybe wait till tomorrow. Maybe we see if tomorrow does something a little better. See if we maybe get some better market movement, right? I'm going to still watch it, see what happens when we break out of the orb. But as of right now, I'm not super eager to actually get a trade. Honestly, I might not even take a trade if we get the breakout, right? But we'll see. We'll see. I need to see the EMAs cross. I would really like to see displacement to the up or downside, whichever way it goes. Right, I would want to see definitely market structure, either breaking these lows or these highs, right? And then I would be interested in, you know, taking a trade. But I need a lot more confluences before I do anything. And we might get that EMA cross right now, and that might be the moment where finally we're good to go. You know, we might see something finally happen once we get that EMA cross. And again, down here, I was on the phone call, but we wicked out. Again, this is why it's super important to wait for the candle to close and not just take a trade because the candle comes out of the orb. It has to close. Look at that wick back inside, closes inside. Next one wicks out, but closes inside again. You need to wait for candles to close outside of the orb. Extremely important. This is why this is not a signal for me. It did not close outside of the orb. What do you guys think of Dave Portnoy in crypto? Huh? Do you guys like his entrance into crypto? We've had a crazy last week. You had Ye going crazy. You had Dave Portnoy coming in, and he's out trading Cupsy now, which is crazy. Do something. All right, we might actually get a breakdown here. Honestly, if we break this orb, I'm targeting the wick. You know, I think the wick could be a great one. I'm targeting first a 2-to-1, and we're gonna have profit management, so on and so forth. But yeah, I think if we break out of this orb to the downside, I think we go down to the wick, the daily wick down here, which is these lows. All right, we might actually finally have an orb breakout. Okay. So it looks like if it does break out, EMAs are already crossed, right? And continuing that formation. We'd create displacement here. And then probably another one. Displacement there. Right, we inverted this guy. You know, honestly, the ideal situation here would probably be actually this, if we can retest this inverse fair value gap and then shoot for a 2-to-1, right? Take profit down to that 2-to-1 and then rewrite it for the day, and then every R will take a TP. So what I do is every R, right? So if we do 2R, I take a 50%. 3R, I take another 50%. 4R, take another 50%. So every R post 2R, I take 50% of the position off. And then once we hit 2R, I move my stop loss to break even. Once we hit 3R, I move my stop loss to 2R. and so on and so forth. Then as we scooch down the R's, I just move my stop loss and follow. So then we're locking in really good profits. And that's what we did last Friday with our really good trade that we had. So if we get the setup, we'll take it. So we'll see. We'll see, one, if this candle closes outside of here. And two, we'll also see, do we get a little bit of a inverse fair value gap here? Retest. We'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. What does this 2R look like if I enter from here? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. And remember, we need to see a breakout, retest, then a push out, right? So this candle could break out, right? And then you could actually see it run to the other side. So we've seen that happen before too. So just because it's breaking out doesn't mean we enter a position. All right, we have a fair value up here. So this is good momentum, right? Displacement's happening, market structure shift is happening, and breakup structure is happening. So I'm going short. If I'm taking a position, we're going short. Yeah, this market structure from this low, right? You have these wicks, this wick below these wicks, right? So not quite breakup structure across everything, but we do have market structure shift, right? And honestly, what could happen too, what could happen is this trade runs without us, which would be a bummer, right? So if we don't get the retest like we want in this fair value gap, or maybe even this fair value gap, we'll see what happens, right? But we might honestly have it where it runs without us, and that's okay too. If I put my stop loss, I'm probably putting it at this order block up here. And sometimes trades will run without you, and that's, you know, you don't FOMO. That's the one thing you don't do. We don't FOMO here. Okay, it looks like we're getting another fair value gap. So honestly, if I'm going to take a trade here, I'm going to see where do we get the retest, right? Where do we get the retest here? Is it on the orb? Is it in this fair value gap? Is it all the way up to the inverse fair value gap, right? I think if we get the entry, actually, it could be a pretty solid opportunity. Stop loss would be up here. All right, let's see what that is. And we're going to go 0.1 Bitcoin, I think. It's about $50, so we need less. Let's go 9.5. Say 400 and... Oh, whoops. 0.95. 0.9. Okay, let's go 8. There we go. So like 8. What's 8.5? All right, so like 0.085 Bitcoin is what we actually. Yeah, let's just do 8.5. So another fair value gap. Okay, let's see what price does here. So now I'm locked in on if I do get the trade entry, we're going short. Okay, that's not changing. All right. So looks like we're going to come back up. We have break of structure, a confirmation of break of structure, right? Candle closures below. So we're definitely going lower now. What if I went up to here? Give it some buffer.
Hello? What happened? Where am I? Am I alive yet?
Still no retest. And we don't enter unless there's a retest. Okay? We want price at a discount. We don't want price at a premium. It's here. I'm going to go off of that. And then. So if we enter. Well. Hello. That's a 3R. I think a 4-hour is realistic today if we get the entry. Could go even to 5. We'll see. See what there's. Yeah. Now we're not shooting for the 5R, right? But we're marking it out. Why are we marking it out? As TP zones, right? And places to move our stop loss as price moves. So if we do get the entry, right? This is basically I'm setting up my game plan, right? This is my game plan. I need to have a game plan going into every single trade. Right? You need to go in here prepared for where I might take profits, where are my targets, are they realistic? Right? Are these targets realistic or are they not? And all my targets are realistic. Okay, why are they realistic? If you look to the left here, there's lows. There's lows down here, right? We probably could even, if it's a really good trade, right? I think a 6R is even, if it plays out, let's see what 6R is. 6R is a little more unrealistic, but I'm going to mark it out just in case we do take the trade, and I'm prepared. Right? I don't think we'll hit a 6R. But I think the 4, 5, 3 are more realistic. So if we get this trade, these would be my target goals. Okay. And if you are taking trades, right? If you're taking trades, you should go into every trade with a game plan. You should know where your targets are. You should know where your entries, your stop loss, your take profits are. You should know if it's a realistic or unrealistic, right? And how you know if it's realistic or unrealistic? Realistic would mean that there's liquidity to target, which would be lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, right? Those are liquidity areas. And so that's where you would target. And so if we look out here, let's go to the 15-minute just so it makes it a little more noticeable, right? If we zoom out and we look at all of our yellow lines, there are lows and liquidity all over here, all the way down over here. So we can target those realistically. Okay. One thing we can do too. We have. Let's delete this guy real quick. All right. I'm going to focus in on that 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. So this on the 5-minute time frame now, we know that this box is a 15-minute fair value gap, not a 5. Okay. And I'm gonna, yep. No. Yeah. All right, and we'll see how this plays out. So I don't know if we're gonna get an entry though. It looks like it might run without us. It usually always comes back and tests it eventually, right? So this might take a while. And today I do have to balance my IRL job. Okay, so I might be away from the computer. And if I'm at that job, I probably won't be taking a trade because I don't want to risk being irresponsible. It's hard taking trades from when I'm not at my desk. BLOFIN's apps aren't always the easiest. Why did my order block get all messed up? Why did this get all messed up? Okay. What time is it? 8:50? 8:50 GG. One thing I need to do real fast is record Friday's trade. I think I have enough time. It shouldn't take long. I just need to find it. What was Friday's date? The 7th. I hope it's still there. Oh, dang it. Did I delete it? Oh, shoot. That sucks. Is there a quicker way? Let's go. Dang it, I deleted it. I'm gonna go get it set up on this screen and then we're gonna do a quick video. It's for the vlog. It's for the 500 to 1 mil vlog. I look horrible, but it's a vlog, right? Gotta be. It is what it is. But I'm trying to get the. Basically, I'm trying to do the trade recap of what happened on Friday. Because we had a killer trade on Friday, right? Okay. No retest, all right. Still waiting for that retest. I don't even remember where. That's right. Okay. All right. Let me see where. This is the nice thing about the copy trading thing is I can just go back and see where was that trade at, what was the entry, what was the exit, and you guys can see all those too. Position history. All right. 27 entry 97803. Entry. Nine 7 8 0 3 3. Here. Open time was 8:50 a.m. On that candle right there. Okay. Stop loss it back there. And we literally caught it all the way down. Yeah. Oh, retest. Okay. All right. Make a quick video real fast for the vlog. Test. All right, I want to give a quick trade complete recap because that trade that was showed earlier, I want to give the complete full thing because now it's closed. It got profit and it was an excellent trade. It ended up hitting it all the way down to a 4R for our position. We had take profit at or the stop loss was moved all the way up to 3R, so we locked in a lot of solid profits on that trade that happened on that day. And so let me give you like a full breakdown of how it looked, what we could have done better, and also where maybe we probably could have done an entry earlier. Okay, so let's look at it real quick. So here's the complete position, right? So as you can see, it was an excellent trade, right? From the move all the way up here down to here. We entered though in this area. Now we could have entered up here, okay, in this fair value gap retest and the orb retest, right? Because our strategy is the orb, which is the open range breakout, which is the first 15 minutes of every single trade in it, which that's where you see this level right here. Top of the orb, bottom of the orb, right? Breakout, retest, that's where we could have entered. Okay, we could have had a better entry. We also could have had a better entry on this fair value gap here that was formed on this downward momentum, right? So we could have gotten better entry. Okay, now looking back on it, I should have entered a lot earlier than what I did. but then I entered down here, right? Why did I enter here? One, I saw displacement, inverse fair value gaps, EMA crosses, fair value gaps, right? It was clear that we're heading in the bearish momentum. We're heading to the downside, and it's clear I should take a short. Now, because I waited so long to take a position, I almost got stopped out here. I did not get stopped out here, but it literally is like extremely close. It was extremely close to getting me stopped out. We did not get stopped out. Instead, it continued on down, all the way down, 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 down. We took profit at 2R. Okay, we took profit at 3R. We took profit at 4R. And then we got stopped out when we saw it go back up to here when it hit 3R again. So we had risk management, we had profit management, but we could have done the entry better on this one. But I am still very happy with having a 4R trade. Okay, especially for the 4R trade being one of the third trades of the challenge so far, and we're already killing it. So now if we go look at after this really good trade, let's see where we actually are in profits when it comes to the 500 to 1 million challenge. We're up actually quite nicely. Okay, we'll go back here just to keep it simple. Boom, we're up almost $200 already on the challenge, as you can see right here. Let me move this little thing. Stupid. There we go. We're up almost $200, right? Almost 200. We're $4 short, but we're looking really great for the challenge to be already up almost $200 on our way to the first tier of $1,000. And so I'm pretty excited to get it started this way, that I have already that much profit to go. And right now it's actually Tuesday morning, the day after that trade. To do that recap, I'm actually live streaming right now. Literally, there's people live. We got 130 people live watching us, and we are almost about to enter into another trade. We'll see if it actually gives us the entry, but if we end up getting that trade, we'll give you the recap on that one too. But yeah, if you want to stay when we're doing these things actual live, like when we're doing these trades, join our live streams. We do them every single day, Monday through Friday. So join us in on that. Today I'm looking like a little hooligan because I'm not feeling good at all. I'm pretty sick today actually. But yeah, that was the trade recap. Wanted to give you that, and we'll see you at the next trade. All right, how to do that real quick. That's for the vlog, the trading vlog. I honestly, I want to see price come back all the way up to this fair value gap. I'm gonna go get a Cliff Bar real fast. Get a little bit of. Oh, so funny.
To find all by design. Feeling all this
Wow, it's been
reckless and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive candles in a row. A red.
never backing down. Wanting to find more. Wanting to find more. Everlasting light, standing by your side. Take my hand tonight. You just can't deny.
Man, yeah, this looks like it's running without us. Kind of a bummer. See on the 15-minute time frame. So the 15-minute time frame has this fair value gap. That's it. Only that fair value gap still. So eventually price is going to have to come and fill that imbalance, okay? And that's what we're waiting for. Guys, I think I might cut the stream short today. I'm sorry. I'm just struggling right now. I'm not feeling good at all. And yeah, I think I might close out the stream. But what I'm waiting for, right, is this imbalance to fill. I'm waiting for this imbalance to fill here on the 15-minute. Tapped in, and then if it does and respects it, my goal is to go short, targeting the daily wick down here, right? 6R is not what we're shooting for, right? We're going to be taking profit down all throughout here if we do take the position, right? And we're going to have risk management. But if you would like to make sure you take part in this, again, we have the copy trading up on BLOFIN. So if you'd like to take part in copy trading, please go jump in. Use my link down below. It's either on X, Twitch, or YouTube. It's below this video if you'd like to use the link. Or if you're on YouTube or Twitch, you can just type in BLOFIN to the chat, WEEX to the chat, or BITUNIX, and you can do the trading too. But copy trading right now is only on BLOFIN. Okay. WEEX is wanting me to get on the copy trading, but it might be hard to balance two copy trading. I don't want to like risk messing one up just to have two copy trading spots. I might just stick to BLOFIN for now. I wish I could have the WEEX copy trade the BLOFIN. I don't know if that's possible, but looks like we might see some correction back up to here. So I'm gonna delete these real fast. I'm gonna delete all these boxes, and we're just gonna focus in on what is happening here. Right? Make it a little cleaner. Alright, guys. Yeah, I think I'm going to close out. Ugh. I'm sorry. This sucks. I hate being sick. I literally hate it. Alright, everyone. Thank you. There's 140 of you right now. I'm so grateful that each and every one of you are watching. I'm sorry. I'm sick, and then I got to close it out. I'm hoping I feel better before end of week. I took a rest day yesterday. I literally just laid in bed all day, which I hate doing, but It was nice. It helped me feel a little better. I'm taking medicine and stuff. So, yeah, dude, it's rough right now. So, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you're enjoying the content, and I hope you're excited for this challenge as much as I am. I'm really stoked for it. Really excited to take you along this learning journey. And so, yeah, guys, I hope your day's blessed. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna close out the stream. Love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. See you later.